The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
你真听解脱。
Is it familiar? Do you have the same problem of topspin, the heavy underspin ball? If yes, watch this video. I will translate you the coaching videos of Coach Zhang.
You're really letting Ting Ji take over. You're not going for it. You're not hitting outside the table. Try hitting out first. Aim at Ting Ji's legs. See? Isn't it magical? How can you improve? In table tennis, once you understand spin, you'll improve. I told you to hit outside the table, but you won't do it. What kind of spin is this heavy spin ball? What kind of spin is that? Judge first. I didn't even look. Why are you laughing? What's that action? What kind of spin is that? It's not about no spin balls. Of course, your strength won't be effective. What kind of spin? Air. To exaggerate it, the hardest part of table tennis is the spinning ball. When you loop, I don't need to tell you. You have to use your legs for power. Relax your hands, accelerate at the right moment. See, like this. Just accelerate at that moment. Acceleration only works with friction. Look at this ball. I neutralized his spin, then I reversed the spin. If the ball is off the table, I can loop it. I can loop anything off the table. Right? Friction holds the ball and then it lifts. Right? I'm even using older rubbers. Chinese sponges are better, but they're tacky. It's simple, right? Right? Friction and acceleration are simple. It's simple, right? It's not hard. Panyu made progress. Before the team matches, his loops were the same. It was the same. Really? Ask him yourself. It's true. I love spinning loops because I'm good at friction. See, I can't attack those spin balls, but I can't attack no spin or flat balls. I can attack properly if the ball is above the net. These balls are tough to attack. I attack carefully, like this. A quick, light touch attack. It needs to spin. If it spins, I can attack like that. I dare to attack like this. I really don't dare. Better now. It's all thanks to Coach Zhu. That's a bit better. It was just a little off. You nearly hit the white line. Right on the white line of the net, and it just went over. That ball was short because your body and footwork weren't aligned, so there wasn't enough force. See? It went out, but I didn't see you topspin it properly. This is what out means. A badminton court is about this big, right? If it goes out to here, it's out, right? About 10 or 20 centimeters, this is called out. This is what out means. Even if you stick half the table, you might still hit out. Rub it thinner. I told you to rub it thinner. I told Panyu to rub it thinner. You should listen to. Laughs if you topspin like this. It's definitely going out. It's definitely going out. You're putting too much upward force. It won't go out. Yes. See, when I topspin it, it's not spinning. Look where I hit it. Yes, but I'm adding friction when top spinning, you see? Yes. Yes. See, I'm adding friction, right? See if I'm adding friction. Listen to the sound. Listen. Listen. It's the same adding friction. Right? Of course. It's right, it can't be wrong. Ah, that's better, this is called out. Ah, Lun Yang, you need to know this happened earlier wasn't out. Okay. Ah, it's just grazed the edge. Just one ball away, just one more. Top spin it up, who? Let Dad treat you to something tasty, yes. Okay. Yes. This has nothing to do with how much spin you find online. You need to experience the fun that spin brings you. That's what makes table tennis fun. Wow. Oh no. Okay, improvement. Yes. Okay. This ball is good. Ah, very good. It's fast, great shot. Better. Ah, now you've got a great hitting spot at the rising point of the ball. As soon as the ball bounces, okay, raise it once. Try it, it's good. Well done. That's progress. You hit it to thick, right? Make it thinner next time, rub it thinner. Okay, thinner. Don't always think about exerting force. Why so much force? I didn't even use force. Ah, good. No matter if it's high or low, even if it doesn't count, rub it thinner, it's the same. Very good. Not bad. Keep going. Okay. Good. Very nice, keep your balance low, yes? Very good, not heavy. Focus on friction. Yes. This is good. Alright, last one, stop, it's dead spin. Continue practicing, don't let it go into the net. Good. Remember, touch it gently, no rush.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.